all their themes are basic. I'm applying this and you can see too as well. They look very, very, very basic. Let me refresh the page. They're all basic. Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install themes on these Blogger websites for them to look professional. Yeah, like a website that is being developed by WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. So before you can get a theme and then install it on your Google Blogger website, I think you should search it. So just search Google Blogger themes. So with these themes, we have free and then paid options. Yeah, so the free ones you can just download them, but the free ones have limitations, and then the paid ones you have every tool or you get access to every feature. So here is it. So a website like this. So this is Goyabi template. They will let you get access to a lot of Google Blogger templates them. So here are they. You can download any of your choice, but I've already downloaded some. Let me show you how you can download a theme here. So you just click on the theme of your choice. Let's click on it. Yeah. So when you click on it, it should load like this. You see this theme has a premium version, and then it has a premium version, and then it has a free version. So the free version, you click on the download to download it like this. So yeah, I'm downloading it, and then you can live preview in the sense that when you live preview, you are going to see how this theme is going to work. So yeah, I've clicked on the live preview. So this is how your website is going to work if you install this theme. So yeah, so we've now downloaded the theme here. So let's come here. So you have the theme here. So when you download it, you can't just install it like that. You need to extract it or unzip it. So you right click and then you extract all. So yeah, let's extract it. Good. So now you can upload it straightforward, and then yeah, your Blogger website template is going to change. So let's come here. So now this is our Blogger portal. So let's move to the themes, and then let's come here, which is to the themes. And now on the themes portal, let's click here, and then let's click on restore. So yeah, let's upload our theme. So yeah, I have this is the one we downloaded earlier, and then I would like us to use this. So let's double click on it, and now let's install the free version. So let's click on open, and then restoring theme. So let's wait, it will take some few minutes. It's done. So yeah, so now let's reload our page. Good. So this is how the website looks like now. So for now, it looks very, very professional. So when you pay for the premium version, I think all these things are going to be removed. You are going to get a lot of features too as well. And then yeah, you can even add ads on this. So yeah, you can see I've already inserted some HTML in this blog post for it to look like an ad, but it's not an ad. This is an HTML. So this is an HTML I inserted. So that's it for the video. You have all your categories here. You have some of the vital pages here too as well. You can click here and come to your home. So now your Google Blogger website looks very, very professional now. So that's it for the video. Kindly do well to like and then subscribe to our channel. Peace.